In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer a membership on Whop. If you need to move a membership from one account to another, this is the perfect guide for you. We'll walk through the entire process step by step so you can complete the transfer with ease. First, open your browser and go to Whop's website. Once you're there, you'll need to log in to the account that currently holds the membership you wish to transfer. It's important to make sure you're logged into the correct account, as this is where the membership resides. Enter your login details if prompted, and you should be directed to your dashboard. Now, if you haven't visited the purchases section before, this is where you'll find all your active memberships and orders. Look for a link or a button on the dashboard that says purchases or orders. Clicking this link will take you to a page listing all the memberships you've acquired. As you scan through your memberships, identify the one you want to transfer. Once you've located it, click on View Details. This will open a new page that provides more information specific to that membership. Here you should find everything you need before initiating the transfer. With the membership details in front of you, search for the Transfer Membership button. This button is your gateway to transferring the membership to another account. When you click it, you'll be prompted to enter the recipient's details, input the email address, or Whop username of the account to which you want to transfer the membership. After carefully entering the required recipient information, take a moment to double check it. It's crucial that these details are correct to ensure that the membership lands in the right account. Once you're confident everything is in order, confirm the transfer. This process should initiate the transfer seamlessly. You'll either receive a confirmation on screen or an email notification confirming the successful transfer. If you encounter any issues, Whop's support team is just a click away, ready to assist you with any uncertainties or difficulties that might arise. And that's it. You've successfully transferred your membership on Whop, making it accessible to the new recipient. This streamlined process keeps things simple and efficient, allowing you to manage your memberships hassle-free. Feel free to revisit this guide anytime you need to perform another transfer. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.